Today we're making one of my favorite Sunday morning breakfast. It is saltfish fritters. Yes. Do you like saltfish fritters? Have you tried saltfish fritters before? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, come take a walk with me as a Jamaican girl living in Canada as I show you how I make my saltfish fritters. So while my saltfish is boiling, I went outside. It's fall season now. I still have thyme and scallion in my garden and pepper. Can you believe it? So those are freshly picked. Wash them and I'm just going to cut them up really small and I'm going to add it to my flour mixture that I had there. Yes, I should have shown you what I put in it, but open your cupboard and look for your season them. Just like when I season your meat, I added onion powder, some paprika, and I think I added a little turmeric to give it a little color also. And some fish seasoning, my Maggi, all-time Maggi. Yeah, that's my go-to seasoning. And some black pepper. I don't usually add salt to it because the saltfish is already salted. And also the seasonings are usually salted. So no salt around here. I didn't use all of the Scotch bonnet pepper. I only used half. And then after I added that, then I'm going to go ahead with my water. I use about 1 cup of water to mix it up. You don't want it too watery or too thick. So usually I add a little at a time and I mix it up with my spatula there. After I incorporate everything and I check on my saltfish, pick out the bones and make sure say the saltfish is not too salty, it is just right, then I will add it to my batter mixer. So you pick it up really small with your finger. So after I mix up everything and make sure everything mix up nice, I leave that to rest and then I will start heating up my oil in my frying pan. Now tell me, what do you put into your saltfish fritters? My husband doesn't like all this seasoning and the kids don't like too much stuff in it. So I just cut up, just a little onion. As I said, the things that I use really small. And you make sure the oil is hot while you put in your butter to fry it, right? You don't want to put in the cold oil because the oil, it will absorb all the oil. Do you put baking powder in your saltfish fritters? I don't. I see people do it and they put baking powder into it. I like mine on the crunchier, crispier side, so I don't add baking powder to it. And I usually turn them a few times so it's nice and golden like that on both sides of it. And once it's done, then you get a napkin, paper towel on your plate to absorb the oil so that it's not too greasy, it's not too oily. Let me know if you'll be trying this saltfish fritters and do you eat your saltfish fritters with bread or you eat it just like that? Because my husband, he is Jamaican also and he makes sure to buy him hard bread to eat to them saltfish fritters.